this video, we are going to discuss about the topic binomial distribution. So before that, please subscribe our channel for more videos and click bell icon to receive notification. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the binomial distribution introduction and the formulas in the binomial distribution. Okay, what is binomial distribution? A random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by probability of x is equal to x equal to p of x equal to n c x p power x q power n minus x equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n 0 otherwise. So this is the formula for binomial distribution. Okay, binomial distribution probability mass function formula. Okay, so probability mass function is denoted by small letter p. Okay, small letter p. So this is the formula ncx p power x q power n minus x. So here ncx means combinatorial. Okay, we have to find combinatorial for given x value. So if x is 0 means here nc 0 p power 0 q power n minus 0. So here q value is equal to 1 minus p. So p is such as q is failure. Okay. So in binomial distribution, the two independent constants, that is n and p in the distribution, are known as the parameters of the distribution. N is also sometimes known as the degree of the binomial distribution. Okay. So in binomial distribution, we assume only non-negative values. So the value starts from 0 to n. Okay. For moment generating function, the formula is mx of t equal to expectation of e power tx equal to e power minus npt into p e power t plus q the whole n. Okay. So here p is the success, q is the failure. Okay. So if the formula for mean in the binomial distribution is equal to n into p. Okay. For variance, the formula is n into p into q. Okay. So now let us see the example problem in binomial distribution. So this is the example for binomial distribution. Here the mean of a binomial distribution is 20 and standard deviation is 4. Determine the parameters of the distribution. So I have already told n and p are the parameters of the binomial distribution. So we have to find n and p. Okay. So first write the given terms. First write the mean. Mean formula is np. So equal to 20. Next standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to root of variance. So variance formula is n into p into q. So is 4. So equal to 4. Root of npq equal to 4. So the variance is equal to npq is equal to 4 square means 16. Okay. So now we have to find the parameters. Okay, n and p. So for that we have to substitute 20 for the np value. Okay. So now 20 into q is equal to 16. Therefore, q is equal to 16 by 20, that is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Okay. So now we have to find the p value from the q value, because p is equal to 1 minus q, that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. So the p value is 1 by 5. So now we have to find n value. So for that take the mean, that is mean np is equal to 20 and here substitute the p value. So n into 1 by 5 is equal to 20. Therefore n is equal to 100. Hence write the parameters of the binomial distribution or n comma p. So hence write the n value and p value. So we obtain n value is equal to 100 and p value is equal to 1 by 5. So this is one type of problem in binomial distribution. Next we have to solve another type problem. Okay, so another one problem. Okay, this is the second problem in binomial distribution. The problem is in a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, probability of 1 and 2 successes are 0.4096 and 0.2048 respectively. Find the parameter P of the distribution. So this is the problem, okay. So in this problem they are giving the binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials. So this is the n value, okay. So in binomial distribution, the distribution is consist of trials, okay. So trials are represented by n. So n is equal to 5, okay. So this is the n value. Next, so probability of 1 and 2 successes, okay. So P of 1 is equal to this value, that is 0.4096, and P of 2 is equal to 0.2048, okay. Now we have to find the parameter P of the distribution, okay. So for that we have to apply the formula, that is P of x is equal to n C x P power x q power n minus x, okay. So after that substitute 1 in the place of x, okay. So for P of 1, here n value is 5, so 5c1 P power 1 q power n minus 1 means 4, okay. So that is equal to 0.4096, and P of 2 can be represented as, that is 5c, here x is 2, so c2 P power 2 q power n minus 2 means, that is 5 minus 2 means 3, that is equal to 0.2048. So from this let us write like this, we have to write like 5c2 P power 2 q power 3 and 5c1 P power 1 q power 4, okay. Write like that, that is P of 2 divided by P of 1, okay, is equal to 0.2048 divided by 0.4096, okay. For y we have write like this, means we have to find the parameter P, okay. So now 5c2 can be represented as like 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2, okay, into P square cube divided by 5c1 is represented as 5, okay, and P q power 4 is equal to 0.2048 divided by 0.4096. So now cancel the terms, 2 here 2, so 5 2s are 10, okay. So 10, so also cancel the p terms, so here p, here p square, and here q power 4, so here q power 3, so cancel, and here we have q, okay. So now write the remaining terms, that is 10 p divided by 5q is equal to 0.2048 divided by 0.4096, okay. Okay, in this step also we can cancel the term, that is here 2, here 1, okay, and here this is 1, here this is 2, okay. Now write it as, that is 2p is by q is equal to 1 by 2, okay. So we have to find p, so for that I am writing like p by q is equal to, so this 2 goes in here means multiplication, so here division, so 1 by 4, so that is equal to p is equal to, here we can write like that is 4p is equal to q, therefore now I am substituting q formula, that is 1 minus p, we can replace q with the formula 1 minus p, so that is equal to, so when we take minus p into this side means it is plus p, okay. So 4p plus p means 5p is equal to 1. Therefore, p is equal to 1 by 5. So now we found p value. Also from this value we can find q value, that is 1 minus p equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 1 means it is 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So in this problem we have to find parameter p. So now we found, okay, that is p value is equal to 1 by 5. This is the final answer. So if you like this video, then share it with your friends. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Also click the bell icon to receive notification. Thanks for watching.